Alright guys, we got a mini P made by Partner. We do not know the date of it, but it's a nice little saw, and it is a very old saw. It's all magnesium. Even the trigger is all one piece, and it's all metal. But we just got it running. We cleaned it up. It's been sitting for a long time.
Your grandpa and great uncle use it?
And, my grandpa and my uncle used this when they were younger to heat their houses, to get firewood. They both used that for 2 houses. So here, we're going to start her up.
It's oiling too.
Yeah, it's oiling good too.
Yeah, oil is dripping out of it.
Chain's a little loose, and the reason why the chain's still moving is because we have the clutch has no springs in it. So that's why the chain's still moving. But alright guys, that's it. You hit the real red button. Okay. It's fine.